Man, it's been almost a week. Last week Friday I got held up at Publix, and when I got held up at Publix, I couldn't make my delivery at my next stop. Well, we're getting into the busy time of year again, so warehouses are getting full pretty quick again. So with that being said, these butts wouldn't let me deliver it Friday afternoon. Told me the next available appointment was a week, but basically today, a whole week away. Now, I agreed to do that because I got the broker to give me the kind of money I wanted to sit on the load. So, here we go. Whoa, yeah. Love that sound in the morning, buddy. Ain't nothing like it. Try to clean this thing up. We also don't check the tune on it, make sure everything's legit. My boy's shop, check it out. There we go. I'm gonna go clean it up. I'm gonna clean this frame up today, get this frame right, and then I think Saturday I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna go get some new lights for back here, man. I can't live with these LED or not being LED. I'm gonna snatch these off, a little rubber off. I think that'll make it look pretty good too. I think we should be good. I'd like to get the tanks and wheels polished. I'm gonna hit this guy up, see if he can maybe do it for me tomorrow. Get that done. Man, we out here. I'd like to get somebody to do the paint too. You never know what might happen in the next couple days with me. This is some fog. Clear as day back there. Coming to Chattanooga. All this damn fog. It's crazy. It's thick. Oh yeah. The old tugboat, we getting it done. All this fog went from sunny, foggy, just like we are in the middle of nowhere, Tennessee. Getting some work done. Well, I'm getting some work done out here. Starting getting this project together. Rub the little hand lotion on here. A little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit here, some little bits there, a little bit here. I need to do that, but just putting a little on it. Getting the project started. Getting it cleaned up. I'd like to wipe down the body, but I might take it to my boy up in Wisconsin. You know who I'm talking to. Might have you go ahead and get this thing a good once over. Wouldn't mind going to get the cap from my buddy. My buddy still has the cap, just to put it on there, just to see what it looks like on there. But I gotta get the fog lamps for the front, and then I want to do a visor and some window chops. And I think at that point she's off to her journey. I gotta clean the inside. The floor is really dirty on the inside here. I haven't got to it yet, but it's on the project list. Just want to get it hooked up to the 48. I can't wait to see what it looks like hooked up to the 48. So that's what I'm excited for right now. So let me go ahead and go wipe this thing down. Let's see how it turns out. Spent a little bit rubbing it down a little bit. I think it turned out okay. It still needs a good real polish, but not bad. We out here chopping it up.
Hey, big truck game, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He teaching me how to not be such a fat trucker. You know, I like eating bad stuff. He like, don't do that.
I'm telling him to stay away from Bambi because you gonna fuck his shit up.
Here we go. Look at this. Look at this motherfucker. We're pulling up. Look at this. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
All right. And this guy done blew both his damn tires right here. This is.
Get your money up right there, Jack.
Yeah, right here.
I'm taking my home on the road.
Hey, what's the wheelbase?
356.
56? And then what is this? 160? 157?
56.
156? Man, that bad boy is nice, man.
Titanic.
You say what?
Titanic.
Yeah. He called it the Titanic.
That was a hell of a name, man.
Yeah, it is, man. Yeah, but we just out here chopping it up. You ready to me?
Knowledge. It's free, but you gotta go and you gotta get it. You gotta get it. Ain't nobody just gonna say, hey man, you wanna learn something about trucking today? Come talk to me.
Yeah.
Nah, you gotta be like,
Gotta
hey bro.
ask. Yeah, that's what he
you
did.
That truck?
He ran
and
up
you
on
gotta
me.
come off and people respect like, and you gotta have an intellectual conversation. You ain't gotta use the SAT word.
Yes, sir.
God know I can't spell worth a damn. But you show your sincerity, guess what you're gonna get in return?
Goddamn
Same thing.
Right.
You never know who you're talking to, so watch yourself now.
Right. A dummy can teach you a lot
Know a
sometimes.
lot of people, y'all.
Yeah. So, man, I'm gonna get him on here, man. He wants to get his own big rig, so I told him it's time.
Now won't. We gonna get it, baby.
I know you are. I already know you are. That's what I'm saying. It's time. Like, this man work on his own shit, work on his boss and stuff, you know.
Now look, my boss is cool though, so hey, if you see this, you still a dickhead, but you're cool.
No, but everybody got, I have drivers, and I never want to get in their way of their destiny. So if their destiny is to own their own stuff, I'm going to help them get there, if that's what you want to do. But I'm going to let you know that it's not as easy as you think, and it's not that you can only work Monday through Friday now, because once you're on your own, it's a 7-day-a-week thing, you know, because that truck, when it ain't turning, it ain't earning. So
Yeah, hello.
that's rule number one.
So when you at home and you think you ain't going out, guess what they gonna do? Hey, Pete, man, I need you to get this load. Drop everything. Craig's in trouble. Come quick.
All right, y'all, man. We gonna keep talking here. Actually, we're probably gonna ride up the road a little bit together. So,
I don't know if you're gonna be able to keep up with my company truck now.
Shit.
Shit slow.
Come on, I'm in that 660. I'm gonna be back there holding on. All right, got a fit trucker right here. It's got an ISX in there.